bigger the berry, the sweeter the juice, not mad.
You know, women look at me and say, if I eat the cookie, am I going to be like her?
We've all been in this fat girl struggle all of our lives, you know.
This is the body I live in.
But it's what's inside that counts. It's not what's outside. And it allowed me to pull my head up high and smile at the world.
What I've learned is that this is a form of bias that is very resistant to change.
It was quoted that Orlando Bloom was asked what kind of woman did he like, and he said, I want one who's fat on the outside and good on the inside. Orlando, I'm free. I'm free.
Blessed with more than the average, and society's trying its best to do damage to your self-esteem, and every so-called beauty queen seems to